start crying.
Hi guys. This video will show you how to check if your PC can run Windows 11. Microsoft has provided a free PC health checkup to help you see if your Windows 10 PC is compatible with Windows 11. To use it, download the app and install it on your Windows 10 PC. Link download in description. When you run it, locate the Introducing Windows 11 section near the top of the window and click Check Now. The PC Health Checkup will run a quick check of your system. After a few moments, you'll see the result. If you see a message that reads, "This PC can't run Windows 11, then your device doesn't meet the system requirements for Windows 11. If the message says, "This PC can run Windows 11, then you're good to go. According to Microsoft, if your computer doesn't meet the following requirements, your device will not be able to run Windows 11. If that's the case, you'll need to buy a new PC to run the new operating system.